It's got Cabbage Patch dolls.
Yeah, right. It's got balloons and Cabbage Patch dolls.
And
Whoa.
it's got Cabbage Patch dolls here.
Yeah, pretty nice, huh?
And this one.
Oh.
I got pinned.
Dana. I think you're possessed.
If you start spitting up pea soup, I'm gonna leave.
Let's get her on the other side so I can get a picture.
Just come sit where I am.
The light is in the background. I can't take a picture like that.
What do you want me to do? If I move her around, she's not
I told
gonna
you,
do it.
get her over on the other side.
Ryan,
That's what you gotta do.
put the playpen over here, please, because you're blocking the whole pathway.
No.
Now.
Dana.